Banana, say hi! Hi guys! Nandito po kayo ngayon kami sa tabing dagat. Malapit lang sa amin. So after 3 days na nagkasakit itong higanting to, finally, he's okay na. So kinabahan ako ng very light. Dahil 3 araw mataas yung lagnat. Pero dahil magaling akong mag-alaga, he's doing well na at nagyaya ng maglakad-lakad. So, let's explore the seashore. Tingnan mo, parang hindi lang galing sa sakit. So guys, challenge ko tong banana ko. Kung kaya pa niyang manghuli ng maliliit na crabs. Yung mga baby crabs. Nagdala-dala pa ng maliit na balde. Wala pa ring laman. Anong petsa na? Oy! Ano na? Did you catch something? Still empty? Hala! Sinasabi ko sa'yo ha, kailangan may huli ka. Hindi tayo uuwing empty yan. Hindi tayo uuwing walang laman yung balding hawak-hawak mo.
I'm doing this first time.
You can do it. Oh, ang saya-saya ng bata. Sasakit ng likod mo dyan. Wala ka pa ring huli. Really? Even you can catch the kumong-kumong?
What is that?
I'll show you later what is kumong-kumong. We will not go home with that empty bucket. That's a challenge for you.
I mean, I can eat everything that I catch.
Oh, you can get all of this lumot. Seaweeds.
I am not hungry, so I don't.
You see?
Yes.
He's ready to fight.
Really?
Yes.
How do you know that?
Because nanong tawag siningyate oy. Da kuya mo iba. Love, sudan. If we can catch that, if we can able to catch it, we have sudan na. Oh, careful.
He has no pincers. Where is the pincer?
Small, too small. It's a baby crabs, you know. We cannot eat that. You can try to catch him through your your slipper. Yes. Sure nga, I'll show you. Say hi, higante.
Hi.
May giant banana. You have it?
Yes.
Where? Wow! Okay. First catch ever. Oh, careful. Put it in a bucket. Inside a bucket.
I try to clean him.
Then you don't have to. We'll clean it later. Just put it in the bucket. Yeah. Oh, very good. Let's see.
Oh, it's a big one.
Big one. Yes, it is. Happy?
Yes. Ah.
Wow, finally. Kaya sayang hindi ko nakuha ng video. Tingnan nyo yung huli ng asawa ko. Oh. Ang laking isda.
Okay, look.
Oh,
Put the bucket on there.
careful. Eh. No, just just hold his kuya mo. May huli yung net. Tuwang-tuwa tong asawa ko nakakuha ng maraming balikbitan. Ah! Lolo!
Don't scare me.
Okay. Let's go. Lulu. Just avoid lang the kuya mo eh. There. Use your slipper to Alala. I'll do it, be. You got him. Ah! Yay! Uy, pwede na mabuhi sa higaron. Love, pwede ka na mabuhi sa habagat. Tapos kalago na kayo.
Ah, look. Spider.
Where?
There
Oh,
Spider.
we almost full na the bucket. You're fighting with the crab. It's the king crab. Careful. Let him bite your slipper.
But he has
No more power. Okay. No more energy.
Tako kayo? Pwede yung pilas na oh.
Ha? Dalo, butang mo. Hello, kanindot kayo sa mga pillars ni RB.
Okay,
Usa din nakaingkit.
Tako kayo?
he is our law.
Oh, yes. Lalalala, put. Do not touch! Tada! Now you're afraid not to hold this bucket.
No. Mais Sudana.
Tinama mo yung sudan. Shoot, tumama na ito sudan. May sudan na. Hindi tudluan. Para lang tawa yung gilakpan.
Ala ka, may gawa siya pag ito sa balingitan. Ay, magluto, magpapakaitlog dahil.